सोमारा अवल लेडी ऑफ पिलार इगर्जेन भक्तिवंत आग्नेलो डिसोजाची 96वी पुण्यतिथी मनयली। गावातले तसेच वाठारातले लोक मोठ्या संख्येन मिसांत वांटेकार जाले। 20 नोव्हेंबर हो दीस भक्तिवंत आग्नेलो दीस म्हण मनयतात। पळयात काय खीण।
सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आनी सगळ्या संवसाराच्या लोकांक आमी खेरीत भाशेन आयच्या दिसाची परबी आनी आनंद दिता। आग्नेलाची 9 दिसांची तयारी केल्या उपरांत आज खेरीत भाशेन 96 डेथ एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन जायत्यांनी तुमी वांटो घेतलो। 9:30 वाजता आमच्या फिलिप नेरी फेरांव आमच्या आर्शबिस्पान हे मीस भेटयलें। ताचे सांगाती दिल्लीचो बिस्प साहेब अनिल कुटो बी हाजीर आसलो। आग्नेलाचें देवस्थान आख्ख्या गोंयभर वाडटा चोडटा तें पळोवंक आमकां चड खुशालकाय भोगता। सगल्यांक तुमकां हो बरो दीस आवडेताना तुमच्या घरांनी शांती सगल्यांक तुमकां ताची स्वर्गीय देणी मेळो म्हूण आमी खेरीत भाशेन मागता। सगल्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं।
Today is not the feast day. This I want to make a clarification. Today is the death anniversary of Fr.Agnelo, and until he becomes a saint, they don't give a day for the feast. So we commemorate his death today on 20th of November, when he died in Rashal Seminary. When he was saying a mass, when he was preaching, he collapsed and he died, and then his body was brought in here. The process for making him a priest, a saint, started in 1959, the first process, Magi 1969, and 47 was the first step, second step was 59, third step was 1969, and he was beatified in 1986. So we are still awaiting. His process for becoming a saint has started in 2021, accepted by Rome, and we are only waiting that the process gets completed. Once the process is completed, he will be a saint, and they will allocate a date of for celebrating his feast. So what we say here is happy day and not a happy feast. So this is one small distinction which we have to keep.
Today is a feast wherein me and my family have great faith in Fr.Agnelo, and that's why we are here for Mass.
So this is your first feast being a minister this year?
No, I was a minister earlier. I've come earlier when I was a minister also. This is not the first time I've come here. Incidentally, my wife taught here for many years.
सगळ्यांक पयलू म्हणजे Fr.Agnelaच्या फेस्ताची उनुनीत परबी आनी 96th डेथ एनिवर्सरी आयज आमी हांगा साजरी करता। तुमी पळयता आसतले मिसाक खुबशे आयज फेस्ताचे मिसाक खुबशे भावीक येयल्ले आसा आनी गोंयभरांतल्यान जे Fr.Agnelaच्या फेस्ताक गोंयभरांतल्यान भावीक येता आनी आमच्या वांगडा सगळे जे वांगडी आसा फादर्स आसा ते सगळ्यांनी बरे पैकी आमचे मीस आवडेला आनी देवा कडेन मागला की सगळ्यांक बरी भलायकी आनी बरे भशेन आमचे गोंयान बसून बरे भशेन चलोनी म्हणून। सो सगळ्यांक भाविकांक आनी तशेंच आमचे गोंयच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांक परत एकदा Fr.Agnelo फेस्ताची उनुनीत परबी आनी अशेंच जो फेस्त आसा ते आमी अशेंच फुडें व्हरचें आनी बरे भशेन जावचें।
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सेंट रोजारियो, विलियम रॉड्रिगेज, समृता खणगांवकर आनी निखिल जल्मी।